AI efficiency is often presented as a universal good. If systems become faster and cheaper, everyone should benefit. But efficiency does not distribute value evenly. When automation reshapes workflows, it also reshapes who captures the gains. At a basic level, AI efficiency reduces costs. Tasks are completed with fewer human hours. Errors decrease, processes accelerate, output increases relative to input. In theory, lower costs can mean lower prices, higher wages, or greater investment in innovation. In practice, the distribution depends on structure. Inside organizations, automation often shifts value upward before it spreads outward. When routine tasks are automated, companies can reduce operational expenses. The immediate gains typically appear in margins. Whether those gains translate into higher wages, lower prices, or reinvestment depends on management decisions and competitive pressure. Efficiency creates surplus. Institutions decide how it is allocated. Consider customer service automation. AI chat. Systems handle common inquiries at scale. Companies save on staffing costs and reduce response times. Customers may benefit from faster answers, but workers who previously handled those tasks may see roles reduced or redefined. The efficiency gain exists. Its benefits are unevenly distributed between shareholders, management, customers, and employees. A similar pattern appears in logistics and retail. Predictive systems optimize inventory and routing. Waste decreases. Stockouts become less frequent. Consumers may experience smoother service. Companies improve profitability. Suppliers adjust to more tightly managed demand. But smaller suppliers may face increased pressure to meet algorithmically determined targets. Bargaining power can shift toward firms that control the optimization systems. Efficiency strengthens those who own the infrastructure. There is also a concentration effect across industries. Large firms often have the resources to develop or integrate advanced AI systems more quickly than smaller competitors. This can widen existing advantages. If a major platform uses AI to refine pricing, recommendations, or advertising placement, it can increase user engagement and revenue. Smaller firms without comparable systems may struggle to compete at the same level of optimization. Efficiency can reinforce scale. A common counter-argument is that technological efficiency ultimately benefits consumers. Over time, competition tends to drive prices down. Productivity gains can expand markets and create new jobs in adjacent sectors. Historically, automation has often increased overall economic output. This broader perspective matters. Efficiency does not automatically produce inequality, but it does not automatically reduce it either. The distribution depends on regulation, labor mobility, market structure, and bargaining power. Another argument is that AI creates new forms of value. While some roles are compressed, others emerge: data engineering, system oversight, integration, compliance. Automation can shift work rather than eliminate it. This is visible in software development, where AI tools accelerate coding but increase demand for system architecture, review, and integration expertise. The redistribution is complex, not one-directional. However, even when new roles appear, they may require different skills and education levels. The gains from efficiency may accrue to those positioned to adapt quickly. Workers without access to retraining or mobility may experience displacement more acutely. Efficiency changes opportunity landscapes unevenly. There is also a geographic dimension. Regions with strong digital infrastructure and capital investment can integrate AI systems more rapidly. Other regions may depend on external platforms and technologies, capturing fewer direct gains. As automation spreads, value chains can reorganize around data and computational capacity. The benefits cluster where those assets are concentrated. Within firms, efficiency can also shift internal influence. Teams responsible for data and analytics may gain strategic importance. Decision-making may rely more heavily on system outputs. Departments tied to manual processes may see reduced authority. The redistribution of value is not only financial, it is organizational. None of this implies that AI efficiency is harmful. Reducing waste, improving accuracy, and accelerating processes can create genuine benefits. But the assumption that efficiency automatically benefits everyone equally overlooks structural realities. Every efficiency gain raises a question: Who captures the surplus? Some organizations attempt to distribute gains deliberately. They reinvest savings into training, expand services, or lower prices to grow market share. Policymakers may introduce frameworks to encourage broader benefit sharing. These choices influence outcomes significantly. Automation does not dictate distribution, institutions do. As AI systems become more embedded, this question becomes more important. The technical conversation often focuses on capability, how accurate models are, how fast systems run. The economic conversation must also consider allocation. Efficiency increases the size of the pie. Distribution determines who eats which slice. Understanding this dynamic allows for more realistic expectations. AI efficiency is not neutral. It operates within existing power structures and incentive systems. It can widen gaps or narrow them, depending on how gains are managed. The technology itself does not decide. As automation continues to advance, the most important debates may not be about whether systems work. They may be about who benefits when they do. Because in the end, efficiency is not just a technical outcome. It is a structural force that redistributes value, quietly but significantly.